In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up alerts for job candidates on Top Echelon, a tool that can make a huge difference in streamlining your recruiting process. If you're looking to keep track of your top candidates efficiently, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set alerts that notify you when there's a perfect match for your job openings, saving you a ton of time and effort. First, if you're new to Top Echelon, it's a powerful recruiting software designed to help you manage candidates and job orders, collaborate with other recruiters, and ultimately fill positions faster. But setting up alerts, that's a game changer for keeping your pipeline full without having to constantly check your system manually. To get started, log into your Top Echelon account. Once you're in, head over to the job orders section. This is where you can create alerts for specific roles you're looking to fill. After you've selected the job order you want, look for the Alert Settings tab. Here's where you'll be able to fine-tune your notifications. Now let's talk about filters. You can set alerts based on keywords, candidate qualifications, location, and much more. So, if you're hiring for a specific role and want to get notified when candidates who match your criteria come through, this feature will do that for you. It's a great way to make sure you don't miss out on any potential candidates. Once you've customized your filters, save the alert, and you'll start getting notifications straight to your inbox or within the system. That means you'll never have to worry about manually searching for candidates. Top Echelon will do the work for you. Here's the best part. Top Echelon gives you the option to set up these alerts for multiple job orders at once. So, if you're managing several roles, you can stay on top of all of them with minimal effort. This automation is what makes Top Echelon a must-have for busy recruiters. What's even better is that you can set up alerts, not just for job candidates, but also for job order updates. So, whether a candidate is moving forward in the process or a job order status changes, you'll be instantly notified. This keeps you on top of everything, ensuring that no important details slip through the cracks. If you're using Top Echelon and haven't set up your alerts yet, I highly recommend doing it as soon as possible. It's one of the best features for making sure you're always in the loop with your candidates and job orders. Before we wrap up, remember that you can actually try Top Echelon for free using the first link in the description below, where we also have an exclusive extended trial waiting for you. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned recruiter looking for a better way to manage your candidates, this extended trial will give you full access to everything you need. So go ahead, set those alerts, and watch your recruiting process become more efficient than ever. Top Echelon isn't just about finding candidates, it's about finding the right candidates faster, and with our exclusive free trial, you're one step closer to doing just that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that trial offer in the link below.